Crystal Sky and Crystal R Cruises customized 777 is ready for departure. Crystal not only provides a luxury interior, but an overall inclusive travel experience.
The first thing people notice, this is a big aircraft, over 209 feet long, 61 feet high, and two of the largest and most powerful jet engines in the world are hanging under the wings. The BBJ 777-200LR is a uniquely capable aircraft, enabling Crystal R to provide its customers with something truly special.
With this magnificent Boeing 777, Crystal R is confident that we have not only the most technologically advanced aircraft but also the safest.
There are many challenges and adversity as we had to face along the way. One that comes to mind is flammability. On a commercial airplane, the flammability requirements are much more stringent than you see on a business aircraft, and required the Crystal team, the GreenPoint team, all come together and tackle this problem. The result is a modern, inviting interior with signature accents that truly speak to Crystal's spirit of travel. For those on board at 19 feet, the BBJ 777 has the widest cabin of any twin-engine aircraft. Crystal R has done a fantastic job in utilizing the space to provide each passenger a private place to rest and experience a one-of-a-kind lounge.
This aircraft was made possible by a wonderful collaboration, with Boeing delivering this amazing 777 and GreenPoint designing this magnificent custom interior, partnering with the Crystal team every step along the way.
It was amazing working with Crystal. Teamwork is a core value of GreenPoint, and it was clear that Crystal shared that same value to see the teams come together and work through so many adversities and off a cause. It's why we have such a beautiful and functional interior that you see today. The goal for the Crystal interior was to create an open and majestic space to provide an intimate experience for the Crystal guests to relax, to play, to socialize in the bar area, lounge and gaming tables. We did this by putting in a high cove ceiling. We then carried this same design element through to the back of the airplane by removing the center bends and creating an open, spacious environment to relax, and we couple that with over 3,000 square feet of hand-tufted carpet with one pattern throughout the interior. On top of that, we added first-class fully lay-flat seats with 24-inch monitors. It all comes together to provide an amazing experience for the Crystal guests.
The LR stands for long range, and in the Crystal R configuration the 777 lives up to its name. Imagine flying from London to Sydney or New York to Tokyo, non-stop and pure luxury.
Our vision of Crystal is to simply deliver the most unique experience, not only in the sky but on land as well. This is a fully charged double experience, from itinerary planning to dining reservations. Just about anything you can dream up, Crystal can deliver.
Congratulations to Crystal on their beautiful new airplane. We can't wait to see it in the sky.
We truly consider ourselves honored for the opportunity to partner with Crystal on this beautiful aircraft interior. Thank you so much for the opportunity, everyone here at GreenPoint. Wishes you continued success in the future.